Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, I just want to do really quick how to get approved on Maxbounty within 24 hours. I think this will help out a lot of people, especially with this case study that I'm doing as far as um, the traffic method I'm currently using. Go ahead, check those videos out, and follow along with it. But I wanted to do this real quick one on how to get approved for Maxbounty. It's not hard. So the first thing you're going to want to do is the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to a site called Offer Vault. All right, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to put in Maxbounty. All right, and what that's going to do is going to pull up offers that are being right now offered on Maxbounty. That way, when they call you for your interview, you can just give them an idea of some things that you're kind of wanting to run and the offers that you know that are already on there. So they've got offers for the computer antivirus programs, McAfee, Norton. Say you wanted to run a couple of those offers. So when you're talking to the people, you already have an idea of some offers in mind that you can, talk about. Say, hey, yeah, I wanted to promote some, business opportunity offers, Bitcoin. I know you have an offer, and be specific. Like say, I was looking to do like financial or crypto. There's one Weed Millionaire that's available that you have an offer strictly for, the 5 English. This is an offer that is specifically on Maxbounty, being promoted to like Australia, United Kingdom, New Zealand, and Ireland, Singapore, English-speaking countries. And you could talk about that offer, Weed Millionaire. It's a cost per sale. It's like pays out $600 per sale. Just to give you an idea. But the idea is to go to offer, and that's the tip. Go to Offer Vault first. See what Maxbounty, what kind of offers are being run on Maxbounty. That way you have an idea of what to talk about when you're doing your phone interview. Because all they really want to do is talk to you, make sure you're a real person, and that you're not going to be sending robotic traffic, and you're not just trying to scam them for whatever reason. Okay, so go to Offer Vault, type in Maxbounty, look up at the offers that they are promoting, and find a couple offers that might interest you, or whatever niche that you're really thinking about promoting. They cover all types of niches: gaming, health and beauty, the sweepstakes thing, the surveys, financial, debt and credit, lead gen offers, anything. Just so pick a couple topics on Offer Vault, and I'll talk about that when you do your interview. All right, now going back to Maxbounty, when you're going to sign in, if you don't have an account, I'm gonna put in your name. You're gonna have to have a Skype account, so put in your Skype handle. Or when they say, how did you hear about Maxbounty? I would put in mentor. Say, what's your experience? Say you have a little bit of experience. I would always put, I have some experience and have received at least one payment from a network, because you don't want to come off as completely new. But you don't have to say that you have a ton of experience. So I would say I have some experience and you've received at least one payment from a network. Describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. You can say I run offers from, say, Peerfly and AdWork Media. How do you intend to promote offers? Say I plan to promote using paid advertising and social media. What campaigns are you looking for? See, and this goes back to campaigns that you've looked up on Offer Vault. So you could say like something like financial, or no, health and beauty is good. Website URL. It's always good to have some kind of website going. What you could do here is you could put your Facebook.com profile. You could put your Facebook profile here if you don't have a website. You know, if you don't have a website, I suggest you start working on one. You know, go to anything to where I've got videos showing you how to put a website together, but you can always start putting like your own. It's always good to have your online hub set, you know, some kind of place where people can go back and see who you are. You know, it doesn't have to be something crazy. It can be like a quick little one-page website, but if you don't have one, just put your Facebook profile, just so they can see that you're a real person. Is this account used for incentive traffic? No. You know, even though some offers, they do allow incentive traffic. You just let them know that you're not going to be using incentivized traffic. Incentivized traffic is like content locking, things like that. If yes, describe the incentive. So you just put NA. Next. Description has to be between 50. Let's see. Offers via line at a minute. Using paid advertising and social media. Then you just check those boxes. Check, 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 and then you submit. See, I'm not going to submit because I've already got a couple accounts, so I don't want to actually do this. I just wanted to show you, you know, things to put into it. So that's easy. That's an easy registration, and then they're going to call you, and then you're just going to get on the phone and talk about what you really want to do. You know, talk about the offers that you want to put in. They just want to make sure that you're a real person. All right. So that's how you get approved for Maxbounty. If you got any questions, leave me a comment. If you're having a hard time getting in, reach out to me and I'll see what I can do. And click the link in the description to go taken right to Maxbounty, because that's a link that'll it might help you get in a little bit easier as well. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.